In this video, we're going to understand how do you prepare for a matriculation call. Now, guys, the good thing about matriculation calls is that you can really prepare and set yourself up for a strong call because there is already a lot of information right here for you to use, leverage, and think about. So, firstly, let's look at the contact page. The contact page helps you understand where they are from, if they are moving to their placement city or not, what age they are. Really helps you understand what kind of opportunities do they have in front of them, what could people of that age be thinking about. It also tells you their primary motivation and secondary motivation, very useful in understanding what will propel their likelihood of joining to be higher. As you go forward, you get information about which college they are from, what has been their professional trajectory all this while, if they've done their masters, if they are working. The most illustrious leadership position just tells you about what are the different things that they are doing. Really dive deep here to understand what could they be interested in. The beauty of a matriculation call is that you really get deeper into your relationship with this candidate to really unpack what will get them to feel that they are joining a movement that they can relate to, and what will make them feel like I am going to add value here and I am going to develop in this program. So as you go through their profile, really try to understand what will help you make that alignment for them. Look at why they were marked as an HPC. See what is their first source and most influential source. It helps you understand what do they already know about the fellowship, how authentic will that information be. It also helps you get conversation starters that, oh, you know about each funder through a staff member. Who was it? And try to make connections. As you go forward further, you see the accept survey. So as soon as they get the offer on their dashboard, an accept survey form opens up where they fill in information about how likely are they to accept the offer, what are their motivations, and how excited are they to join, if they have any concerns. This is again only for your first matriculation call. This whole survey is designed to help you start strong with your first matriculation call. Lastly, use your understand the institute that they are attending through this. The other thing you do is go right on top in the calls, go through all of the recruitment calls, make notes of what are the things that are standing out to you about their motivation, about their concerns. Touch upon those things to really get what is their current status. If you go to their congratulatory call, you will be able to understand if they had any matriculation concerns that they shared after they got the offer, if they are happy with their placement city. You can also go through their assessment center record by coming here and clicking on the record. You will understand if what their placement preference was, if they got their first preference or not. You will also see if they have any medical history, if they have any other opportunities they are looking for. Like here, I know that Arushi is looking at YIF and Ashoka Fellowship as well. Again, weave this into your conversation because this is ready material for you to design your conversation with your accept. So using all of these things, using the information from the accept survey, you can actually design the conversation. Use this to design which alumni profiles you will share to actually boost the motivation. If they have mentioned any concerns, then what kind of stories will you take from your own experience in the fellowship or from your own experience in a classroom? Or maybe you will have to build that understanding before going into the call. So this is all that you can do to really set yourself up for a strong first conversation, and it also helps you understand what to expect, what curveballs could you get, so that you don't get thrown off during a call. All the best and prepare well.